Please make yourself comfortable by sitting or lying down and join me in this energizing journey of your breath to unlock your full potential. Take a moment to get aware of your regular breathing and how you feel. Now slowly expand your breathing. I recommend inhaling through the nose in the first 1 or 2 rounds, but you can also breathe through your mouth from the beginning if it's easier to inhale to full capacity. Inhale deep into your belly, then take your breath up to your chest and fill up your lungs with air. Then let go through your mouth. Again, inhale in a wave-like motion and let your breath escape by relaxing your whole torso and diaphragm. Don't rush. Take your time to expand your inhalations and feel its movements on all sides of your torso, like an expanding cylinder. Feel the intra-abdominal pressure in your torso from the full inhale and explosively but passively release it with a sigh when exhaling. Inhale energy, exhale stress. The last 3 breaths, deeply in and let go. 2, fully in and let go. 1, fully in and let go. Now take your last full inhale, let go, and hold your breath. As you dive deep into your consciousness, relax your body. Accept where the mind is taking you. This may be an emotional or clearing journey for your mind. So stay curious and open-minded what surfaces from your subconsciousness in the quiet, breathless phase of this practice. Take a full inhale and hold it in your lungs for 15. And let go. Let's start the second round. Deeply in and let go. Try to find a pace and rhythm that works for you. With each round, slightly increase the vigorousness and speed of your breathing, but always prefer the inhalation depth over breathing speed. Last 3 breaths. 2, 1. The last full inhale and let go. Hold your breath and embrace the stillness of your body and the depth of your consciousness. In this moment in time and space, you are perfect as you are. Let go of old baggage and expectations from others. Whatever emotions, thoughts, and memories arise, accept them as part of your consciousness. Your consciousness expands with more awareness. Take a full inhale, hold it, let go. Let's start with the next round. Full and deep inhalations and relaxed exhalations. Find your pace and align your mind to your breathing's movements. Whenever the breathing feels too intense, know that you are in control and that you can slow down anytime. Also know that a tingling in your fingers or toes or a lightheadedness is part of the process and is normal. The last 3 breaths. Fully in and let go. 2, 1. Fully in and let go. Take your last full inhale and let your breath escape calmly and hold your breath. Dive deeper into your consciousness. Embrace all the colors and textures of thoughts and emotions that arise. You are a wonderful human being, and we as humans are complex beings. Not everything that arises in our consciousness is easily understood, but we can get fully aware of it and accept it as part of ourselves. Just as we need to learn to eat bitter to have a well-rounded and healthy diet, we need to feel and accept bitter emotions as well. They make us human and build a solid ground for growth by creating honesty and a platform for self-understanding. Take a full inhale and hold it. Let go and return to a regular breathing pattern. Take your time and remain in a calm, meditative state for as long as necessary. Thank you for joining me today.